Hi, it's Sharon, and we're back cooking with Sharon. So I've heard the request. Some of you guys want something easy and simple to duplicate at home. Something that's low calorie, and you know what? I got you covered. One of my favorite places to go and quickly pick up something to eat is a local food establishment. We won't mention the name, but if you look at this salad, you may be able to figure out where this is coming from or the vision. And you see, look, there's so many just simple items here on the counter. One being Bragg's apple cider vinegar. And then the rest you see right here is olive oil and some other ingredients that we'll talk through in a moment. But we're going to make a simple dressing. Low calorie, you can do it at home. And you guys see here, I know all of you guys, not all of you, but many of you have a bullet or a NutriBullet, a Vitamixer, some type of food processor, and you probably don't even use it all the time. Well, I'm going to make you put it to work, and it's going to be so simple. So let's get started. All right, so I've already pre-measured out. I'm doubling this recipe because I think I already know it's going to turn out very well. So I want to make enough for me to take home and enjoy. So this is actually 2/3 cup of olive oil, and it's just virgin olive oil that you can just find in the grocery store. Very simple. And then the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I like to use this because I actually use it outside of just cooking with, but just for other health benefits. So this is 4 tablespoons of the vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and then we have 4 tablespoons of honey. We're just going to pour everything into our NutriBullet. And then I have here just regular salt. I'm using today coarse ground pepper, black pepper. So not your traditional, just already black pepper, but I've already ground it up here, as you see. And it is about a half a teaspoon of black pepper we're going to put in here. And also granulated garlic, same amount. And then a little bit of salt. Same amount. And we're just going to put it in our NutriBullet. And the last thing is lime. Now you can use like the lime juice that's in the container, but we're going to use fresh lime today. And it calls for about 2 tablespoons of lime. So what I did was I rolled it. I don't know if you saw me, but sorry I missed that part. Rolled it so it could be so the juices can actually come out a lot easier. And we're just going to, this is going to be, we're estimating, but it'll be approximately like a couple tablespoons. And then again, you do it to your taste and liking. So we'll put all this together, and then we're going to just mix it for a couple minutes. Very simple. And then I have my salad ready here. So this is something that you can already have pre-made. And of course, if you're on the go and rushing like I am always, you want something that's easy once you get home from work to eat and enjoy. For just a couple minutes. Oh my God. I think this is looking good already. I'm going to blend it just a little bit more because I see it separating. And that's okay because that's what the olive oil does. If you don't have a NutriBullet or any type of RoboCoupe or a Vitamixer, it's okay. You can use actually a mason jar. A mason jar that has like a clamp on it. And you can do the same thing that we just did here. Put all the ingredients in here and then just shake, 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 shake it. I'm taking the easy route here today. So this is the cheating way, but it's very effective. And you already probably have this at home. So why don't you put it to use? Okay, I'm excited here. This is looking amazing. And let me get a spoon and... Oh my gosh, and it's the consistency of that dressing that I was telling you about from the local restaurant that I always frequent. So the only thing that I would change about this is we're going to add just a little bit more honey. And then again, this is to your liking and to your taste. I want a little bit more of like a zest or a zing. So I'm going to add in just a little bit more of the lime and the black pepper because I like it a little bit spicy. So we'll add in a little bit more in. And if you're familiar with this salad too, you'll know when you get the dressing, you can see the black pepper. So I want to make sure that I see it in mine. All right, so we'll just add some more. And we'll mix it up, and I think we'll be good to go. But again, this is so simple, right? I mean, what? Took us 10 minutes? Okay, I think we are good to go. And then I will just store this in another container at home. But you can see right here, we're ready to enjoy. So I'll put it on my salad, as you see right here. As always, I appreciate you joining me. I gave you something simple today, y'all. So check it out and let me know how it works out for you. So thanks for joining us at Cooking with Sharon.